Hey guys, what's going on? It's Ronnie. It's London session. Welcome. Good morning, everybody. Hopefully, everyone's having a amazing morning, and let's get started, guys. Uh, Riff Gun, what's going on, brother? MS, what's going on, Malkan? Aide. Let's get these pips, guys. Let's take a look at London session, guys. We're gonna get into this. This is gonna be about a 90-minute session, and then I'm gonna wrap it up. Then I'm gonna go to sleep for a little bit, and then we are gonna get up for London or New York session for Friday morning, guys. So let's take a look, guys. I'm on gold, guys. So welcome everybody. Connor, what's going on, bro? I'm on the gold on the 5 minutes, but what I'm going to do is I got to go quickly. We're going to do some top-down analysis, guys. So I'm going to do it quick for us. We're going to do some charting. If you guys want to follow with me, I'm on gold, XAU, USD. I'm going to my daily candles to get a little bit of support and resistance on the daily. Welcome, guys. Pablo, what's up, bro? Effie, what's going on, guys? Let's do this, guys. You guys had a good call with Dave. Congratulations to all you guys that made some good money and learned and earned, and it was amazing, guys. I was watching on the sidelines. I saw you guys. So, good job, guys. So we're gonna see now London. London's a different session, so there's gonna be different volatility here. Okay, so it's much different than the Asian session that you guys traded with Dave. This one has a lot more volatility. Okay, guys, but we're gonna trade. We're gonna look for trades. Trade smart. Okay, proper risk management. Look at what gold is doing on the daily. Okay, so we're in pure consolidation. We had that big move down, and then we came right back up. We wrapped up. Now we could be forming a neckline. We could see either gold to break out to the upside, or we're gonna see it break down. Okay, so these are our daily support and resistance. I use yellow lines, and then I'm gonna go into my hourly. Okay, so let's go to hour candles. Okay, look at the hours. Okay, nice movement. We could be getting rejected here and then coming a leg down, or we could be breaking here. I can see a possible W pattern break. We have a nice neckline support here. So let's get some areas on these 1 hour candles, guys. Raji, what's up, bro? Life of the Young, what's good? What's good? What's good, everybody? Welcome, guys. If I can just get you guys to like the channel, please. 27 viewers, guys. I really appreciate that. It just helps with trending. Thanks, guys. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe. We're growing fast, guys. We stream always New York and Tokyo, and we do bonus London sessions. Okay, so you don't want to miss out, guys. Um, so what I'm doing now is I'm just getting some hourly levels just in case we start creeping up there. Also hourly support right here on gold. So I'd like to see when I do my 5 minute candles where the price action is, guys. Um, so that's good enough now for London session, and then we'll get into we'll see how it reacts when we go into New York tomorrow. So we are in a nice little uptrend on the hourly. Okay, so I can see we have an uptrend starting from right here. This was started, and there we go up. Okay. Let me just change the colors, guys. Okay, so we're in an hourly uptrend, but we're consolidating here at 1788, just below there, and that's a daily resistance. So now let's go to our 5 minute candles. Okay, so what I see is it's been coming up, making higher highs and higher lows, but we might have a spillover. It might be coming down to break right here. Okay, so let's position ourselves. Let's see what we see here. Do we see any nice consolidation? Do we see anything? Okay, let's just get some nice 5 minute support right there. See, we could be breaking down here, and we could be coming down to these wicks right here. Okay. Okay, and then we have hourly support down here. Okay, so what we're going to see is we're going to watch for a break, guys. I see a lot of choppy action up here right at that daily resistance. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to box all this in. I'm not trading that stuff. I like to trade above or below the box, either a buy or a sell. And if we go up there, we could be coming up here. Okay, and then look at the levels to the left where we can come up to, guys. Okay, so right in here. And then above there, we got one more zone, guys, okay? So we'll see if we can get up there. Guys, it's breaking bearish right now. It's breaking bearish. This is the impulse candle breaking down, okay? 24 seconds left on this candle. So let's watch how it's going to close, guys. This is the impulse candle breaking down. We could get an RSI break at 50 here, okay? This could be the London Open head fake, and they could be pushing it down, guys, okay? So let's look here. Let's watch the close of this candle too, the volume, okay? We could be looking for a possible sell opportunity here. Okay, so we have the close. This is the retest candle, guys. Let's watch the retest. Okay, it open green bullish. It could be coming back up to this area or this trend line. It's going to test this. Okay, let's see. And then right after this, guys, I'm going to go to we'll do US30. Okay, you see how it's came up and then it's rejected right there. Now it's coming down. We're going to break the, if we break this low of the candle, again, it's coming back to retest. Okay. Let's see if they can hold it down right here. Okay, they held it down. Did you see how they rejected it? That's good. All we got to do now is break the low of this wick right here, and we could head lower, making a new lower low. Okay, but there is buying momentum, but there is selling momentum. Okay, so there is a battle right here. And again, RSI is right at that 50. Okay, so anyone can take it. It could be buyers, it could be sellers. Now that's a nice push. There, we just broke the low. Now we could come down, guys. Okay, so there it is. Beautiful. Okay. Okay, so let's look here. Okay, so 1786.86. This is our first break of volume below the consolidation area, the accumulation distribution zone. This was a retest candle. It got rejected one time. Okay, so sellers are holding it down, but there's still a lot of time on this candle. There's still 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Okay, so let's see how also this candle is going to close. But we are below the trend line as well. Okay, that trend line right there, we are below it. Okay. Just gonna check the 15-minute candle, how it opened in London. Okay, so we got it opened up right here. It brought it up. This is a 15-minute candle. It made a lower high. We got to push down. Now volume. All we need is on this 15-minute candle. There's about 7 minutes left on it. We need the volume to close below here, and maybe we're gonna start to go bearish on the 15 and also the 5 minutes. Okay. Welcome everybody, Abdulaziz, morning, everybody, Tiramisu, Jess and Rico, good morning from Nambia, amazing, amazing, thank you for the like. Krishna, what's up brother? Maurice, morning. Thanks everybody for joining in. 42 viewers, amazing for London, guys. If I can just get you guys to like the channel, I'd really appreciate that. There's our break right there. Now we're going down as a shooting star candle, okay? So let's really break down. There we go. Let's get it down to 1786. Hopefully we can get down there. We get a nice RSI break right here, and gold could be bearish right now for the start of this session, okay? Okay, so like this could be an overall large head and shoulder pattern. Over here we have our left shoulder, here's our head up here, and this could be coming down now as the head, and then we could form a right shoulder, and we'll see, maybe gold is going to be bearish. If we can break right here, this RSI low right here, 41, then gold is going to drop right here. If we can break this low. If we can get it below 50 here on the RSI, then we can really drop this, okay? Toby, welcome. Henning, what's up, brother? Welcome, guys. And guys, I'm also going to do New York, okay? So I'm only going to go till about 4:45. We're going to go 90 minutes, and then I'm going to get a little bit of sleep, maybe 2.5 hours, and then I'll be back for 8 a.m. for New York session, Friday morning. We don't have too much news. There's not too much news. Like if I go to Forex Factory right now, this is the news tonight, okay? We just had a little bit of European news, GBP. Tomorrow, all we have is Canadian news, just Canadian news at 8:30. It's a very light day. It's a Friday, very light Friday. So... but we'll still trade it. We'll still trade it, but we don't have any impact news tomorrow. Okay, so this candle is going to close in 37 seconds, guys. Okay, so this is very, very important when we're scalping 5-minute candles. The last 30 seconds is very important. It will show who has the momentum of the close of the candle, and then going into the next vertical bar, the next 5-minute candle. Okay, Jeff, what's up, brother? Welcome, welcome. So it's right now. It looks like a bearish pin bar. Okay, the volume is continuing to go down. That's what we like in a sell situation. We want to see some nice big red bearish volume. Okay, but we did make a lower low. Okay, we did make a lower low, and this wick is a lower high from up here. Okay, so it is the start of a technical downtrend. Okay, so we closed. Now again, we're getting buying momentum again coming in, but what we need is sellers again to hold this level down, and especially this trend line, and then this last resistance of this body, this red body right here. Okay, this is another pull up. This could be a pull up, or we're going to see if it can get back into this area, then maybe this is going to be a strong bullish play, and then we could be looking for looking for up here for a breakout. Okay, bullish breakout up here. If we can get price of gold up there. Okay, and then guys, right after this, I'm going to chart I'll chart the US30 for us. Okay, let me know if you guys have any questions. Any questions, guys? I'm just finished starting this. Okay. Abdulaziz, it's dropping. Okay, so let's go, guys. We're gonna look at US30. Let me chart US30 real quick. We'll keep an eye on gold also. US30. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, so US30 is really dropping. Okay, we could possibly catch a retracement here. Okay, so US30, it's overall, it's been bearish. Okay, very, very bearish. Okay, okay, that's our trend line coming down. We're making lower lows and lower highs everywhere, everywhere, everywhere. Okay, that was the nice break right there. Okay, so sometimes it's we chart US30 first, sometimes gold, and then one makes a move as opposed to the other one. Okay. Um, okay, so where can we come down to? Okay, so here was the wick, it just broke right there. Okay, and the next leg down is right over here, and then one more leg down. Okay, wow, US30, guys. Last level right here. Okay. Okay, and this was the consolidation up here, the break. Okay, this was pre-London, and now they just hammered it down. Okay. Okay, so this was another area here. What I'm identifying right here as an accumulation distribution zone. Okay, so guys, I'm just getting my zones ready. Wow, they're hammering this down. They're hammering it. Okay. Okay, so it could find some support in here. This is the accumulation distribution zone from all over here. Okay, from back in August 19, guys. Um, and I'm just gonna flip back to gold. Okay, so gold got a bullish candle. Okay, it could be coming up to our area up here now. Okay, So remember, we're looking for volume to close above these zones, okay? 1787.70 right here. We're looking for volume to close above. And here was, we got volume close below. We had this candle retest, but not much momentum down, and now bullish momentum. See how it got held at 50? But we have a lot of rejection. This rejection started this. So if this big bullish candle, if they keep this down, if somehow they keep this down and they push it down, we'll see what happens. But this is a bullish breakout right now, okay? Wow, the market's really woke up right now. Okay, we're 1 minute away from 3:30 a.m. Eastern, so we're gonna get a new 30-minute candle as well forming. Okay. Frostbite, what's going on, bro? Are you gonna be up? Yeah, I'll be up for New York. I'm gonna do this session till about 4:45. We're gonna go 90 minutes. I'll sleep for about 2.5 hours, guys. Take a quick nap, and then I'll be back for 8 a.m. We'll do London or New York, guys. Okay. How's Dave doing? Dave is sleeping, guys. He did the Asian Tokyo session with you guys. He's sleeping a little bit. Yeah, so I take over. We kind of do like shift work. When he sleeps, and I come in, and then when I'm here, yeah, he's sleeping. Okay, so look at that big rejection, guys. Okay, so this is big. This is big. See how it came up there very strong, and then they pushed it down, and they closed it below that zone, and it's a lower high. That's what I told you. Watch for that. Now we got a bearish engulfing candle. Okay, coming down. This could be a pullback fake out. Okay, and they're rotating it real fast. Okay, if this bearish candle comes down, this is gonna be nice right here. Okay, we could possibly break that and come down on gold. Okay, there we go. Wow, there's the drop, guys, on gold. Okay, look at that. Okay, so dropping. We got 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Okay, so let's get this volume to break below here, 1786.13. Okay, if we can break below there with volume, we're going to come down to this hourly support here, this white line, and then from under there, we could come down to this level. See, buyers, look, it's getting rejected there. Wow. Okay, so gold is trading in a little range right now where it's in this. Every time it comes down, it gets buyers. When it comes up here, it gets rejected by sellers. But we got to follow now the volume on the candle. There's still 3 minutes left on the candle, but let's see. It's a very nice bearish engulfing. Okay, so if we can engulf all of this green candle and we close below it, then we could possibly get another 5-minute candle dropping. I'm going to flip to my 15-minute candles, because we have a 15 that closed. Here's our new 15-minute candle coming down nicely. This one could come down to 50 RSI as well. And we have a new 30-minute candle. Okay, so our 30-minute candle was a bullish pin bar. It opened and coming down on gold. Okay, so we got to watch how this one's going to close. Okay, but looks nice. US30, guys. Okay, so US30 is finding a little bit of a bottom down here. Where could we possibly look for maybe a reversal? Okay, so this is leg one coming down. I'm not going to trade anything in this box, guys. Okay, I'm going to let price action cool down on this one, and maybe we'll watch gold for a little bit, and then I'll do Nasdaq next. Okay, DXY is going to fly. DXY, yeah, it's moving up, but yeah, DXY broke out of this channel right here. This W pattern broke out. Yeah, we were looking 93.5 is good if it can hold there, and also if it hits 94, then that will be strong for the US dollar, guys. Okay, so again, wow, this was a big bearish candle coming down, and now we have again buyers spiking it right back up. Wow, gold is it's very erratic right now. Okay, so we just got to watch our levels. Okay, can sellers hold this area down right here? Can they hold 1787.70 down right here? Okay, if these buyers push it all the way up, they have a long rejection wick. Okay, what do you think, Pablo? Gold's gonna melt? I don't know, man. It's hard to say right now. Yeah, welcome everybody. If you're new to the channel, guys, we welcome you here. Just please hit the subscribe button, and you can join in all of our live trading, guys. Okay, guys, so get ready. This is flipping into a very bullish buy right here. Okay, Yeah, gold, you think it's gonna fly? Let's see here. Wow, this is like a dragonfly doji candle ready to pop right here, okay? Are the look at the sellers are still holding that wall down after this huge rejection. Like this is ready to pop right here, okay? Wow. This is London session, guys. This is the London volatility. You got a bullish candle, you got a very bearish engulfing candle. It comes down here, 1786, and picks up this liquidity and right back up. Alex, what's up, brother? Welcome, welcome. Connor, I don't see any news today. No, we just went over the Forex factory. It's very light day in news. Okay, so US30, guys. Let's see here. Okay, so US30 could be flipping back up, guys. We could look for a quick scalp buy on US30 up in here. Okay. Remember, we're looking for volume, guys. We're looking for volume. Okay, gold, it looks like it wants to break, guys. Here it goes, okay? But we have a lot of rejections. We got a rejection wick, rejection wick, rejection wick, okay? So there is still some resistance, but this thing is coming real bullish, okay? Watch again where the volume closes, okay? Look again, they're pushing it down. They're pushing it down, okay? So with all of this momentum, there's still sellers are still hanging on by a thread up there, okay? Wow, this is like a this is crazy. Look at how they're pushing it down again. Unbelievable, okay? So gold is a big battle up here. This area. Oh my goodness. Okay? This area, it's got some there's a ton of buyers of gold, but they're holding this supply zone right here, okay? This white box, okay? It's a supply zone, okay? Um, the brokers, the market makers, they've got a supply up here holding all of those big bullish, that big rejection here, and this candle going up, okay? So um, now it's coming down. Oh my goodness, okay? If this comes down with momentum, it could break, guys. It could come down. Okay, and a nice little play we're looking for on US30 is we're looking for to come up, break above there, right up here, and then come down, possibly go up to here, a retracement, and then back up to this level. Okay, but we'll watch for volume to close above there, okay? Okay, so a minute 30 left on this candle, guys. There's a big battle. Now it's coming up. See the volume? Okay, it could break out of that supply zone up here, and then there it goes. Okay, so let's watch how this candle closes. Okay, it's important, guys, to watch for the candle to close. See, again, they're pushing it down. Okay, so the volume is everything, guys. What's in here? That's a big push. Okay. Yeah, Jacob, I agree with you, bro. A lot of people are getting trapped right now in gold. Okay. Okay, so we got 45 seconds. It looks like it wants to pump, guys. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. Holy. Okay. So this is an impulse candle breaking out. This is an impulse candle. Very, very bullish impulse candle. Oh my goodness. Okay. Um, Guys, if it continues with this type of momentum, oh my god. Abdul, you got trapped when you shorted. Yeah. You gotta be careful, okay? You gotta be careful. You gotta be careful. Watch for the volumes. The volume, okay? Okay, this candle is gonna close in 5 seconds. 5 seconds. It's testing the high of this wick right here. Okay, see it touch right there? Wow. Okay, this is here it goes, guys. Okay, so US30 is coming in here too, okay? Pablo, you're holding your shorts but using proper risk management. Yes, always, guys, proper risk management when you're trading. Don't over leverage your accounts. We went over this with our snipers. We had a 1 hour Zoom call. We are talking all about leverage, spreads, everything, guys. We were talking about everything, okay? The important stuff of trading, okay? So just trade smart, guys. Trade smart, okay? You want to preserve your capital when you're trading, okay? Don't go crazy lot sizes, proper risk, and scale pep. See up here, okay? So we didn't really get any volume retests coming down, okay? So no entry yet on US30. Okay, look at gold. Oh my goodness, like this thing is nutty right now, okay? This thing is wild, okay? Now again, it's coming down with a bearish engulfing candle, okay? Wow, wow, wow. Okay, this is unbelievable. The action here, okay? Unbelievable, guys, okay? Okay, what else do you guys want to see? Do you want to see Nasdaq? Nasdaq. Let's see Nasdaq real quick. Yeah, gold is nuts. Holy, I'm keeping my eye on it, but it's nuts. Okay, so Nasdaq is similar to US30. Okay, it broke down and it's consolidating down here. Okay, so Nasdaq is just cooling off down here. Okay, it could form a bear flag, or it could reverse. Okay, so it had its dump, guys. We should have been trading the indices charted instead of that gold when we started the call. Could have possibly seen something nice move. Okay, so again, we're gonna look for similar to US30. We're gonna look for a play above here. Okay. Okay, so 14,878.71. Okay, we'll be looking for something there. Our size, it really oversold at 25. Okay, but we might see a little bit of a pullback. Okay, it could be a pullback and then they hammer it down again. This 14,900, this is daily resistance. Okay, we broke below it, but it is resistance. Okay, so I'm just gonna flip to gold. This thing is crazy. Okay. Guys, London session has its own volatility. If you guys aren't used to it, it is wild, guys, okay? So let's see. I just want to see on the 15-minute candles like the overall development. Look at the 15-minute candles, how erratic they are. Wow. Like look at how long the wicks are above and below, okay? But again, we're following the volume. They still have the volume below this supply area. Yeah, we'll do GBP USD. Yep, I love that pair. We'll do that one as well. Okay. Unbelievable gold. Okay. Let's take a look now. Okay, very nice and bearish. There we go. Okay, let's get this candle to close down here. Okay, this could have been just a lot of fake outs right here, false bullish moves, and then they're bringing down bearish. If we can close with all of this volume back down in here, this could look nice for a nice push down. Okay, we're 10 seconds, guys. Here we go. Okay, I'll get to everything, but gold it's at a critical level, guys. We got to watch this, okay? There's the close. They closed it right at that support line, at that hourly support. Here's our retest candle coming down. If we can break this 50 right here, this RSI, it could drop here. There we go, okay? You guys are holding your shorts right here, guys. Let's go. Should we use MA? Yeah, I can add that. No problem. I'll add my 200-day moving average. Um, I'll just grab it in 1 second. I'll change it right here. Okay, there's a nice. It could look for a drop here, guys. We got that volume right here. Okay, let's go. All we got to do is just break below here, guys. Break this 1786.60. We break that, and then we could come down. Okay, they're saving it. Holy, this was like just like last night too. Just like last night too. Then once it broke, I believe it was 1776.50. It broke for 20 pips, but then like 5-10 minutes later, it was a massive green candle just reversed. Okay, so guys, 62 viewers. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you guys joining me for London. Thanks, guys. Um, if I can just get you guys to like the channel, it helps with trending, guys. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. I appreciate that, guys. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Carrie, thank you for the subscription. I appreciate it. There we go, guys. Okay. All we got to do is just break below this structure right here, all of this structure, and then we could possibly come down and fill these wicks. And if we break below here, guys, 1786, this will be a nice drop on gold, guys. Okay, we could possibly come back down to this hourly 1785, guys. We could possibly collect 20 pips here, 10-20 pips. Okay. We just can't have it flip right back up. We gotta maintain this momentum down. Okay, so I'm just gonna check the 15s. I always like to check 15s. I know I trade 5-minute candles, but we have a new 15-minute candle that opened up. It pushed down a little bit, but we still gotta break below here to create a new lower low. And we also have a 30-minute candle coming down, okay? Also hourly candle. Let's check out the hourly candle. Okay, so our hourly candle, we're going to get a new hour candle in 12 minutes, but look at the volume on the hourly candle coming. If we can engulf these buyers on our hourly candle, we could possibly come down and push lower, okay? We just got to break the structure, guys, right here. This 1786.50. It was exactly the same like last night. Okay. Pablo, let's break this, guys. Let's break this shit, guys. Maybe if we all hit sell orders, we could drop the price of gold. If we have a lot of guys in here, well, let's say we get 1,000 viewers and we all smash the sell, maybe we have the power to drop gold and we all profit. Sheena, you almost closed your position. Okay, it's good that you didn't. All we got to do is just break right here, guys. If we break 1786, this will look nice, okay? Yeah, guys, if the music is distracting you guys in the background, let me know. I can turn it down a little bit, but just let me know. Madcap, let's hit buyer orders. No, no, no buyer orders right now. Let's short this. Okay, guys, so you can see like it's coming down, but just like I showed you that supply zone, this is a demand zone right here, okay? So there's a lot of demand right here. But if we can break below this level, okay, we come right through here, this is where we'll get a beautiful drop, guys, okay? Okay, so the candle closed. This is a retest candle. Okay, it flashed green. We got sellers pushing it down. We just got to break through here, and then all we have is this wick. But right here, it might make a little pit stop right here before it goes down. So right here, candle body to candle body, right there. Okay, so next area could be 1785.60, and then we get down to 1785.33. Okay. I have to use YouTube non-copyright music. That's what we're playing. If I put everything, if I put other stuff on, we get flagged. Um, so I'm just using YouTube's. There we go, guys. Look at that push down. There we go. Okay. So if we can close this candle below this demand zone, it'll be really nice. Then we could possibly get another 5-minute red candle breaking the structure down. We have three candles now with lower lows, which is really nice. And then we have big bearish candle up here. We have a lower high and a new lower high. Okay. So all we got to do is just continue pushing this momentum. Remember I showed you this area on the RSI? This was right here at 1:30 a.m. pre-London. This is how low it got. This dip here that went back up. Okay, so now we're testing this area. If we can break this, it's kind of like a support for the strength. If we break there, then we could possibly come down. Let's see, last time where we broke that down to here. Okay, we possibly get down to 33 on our side. Okay. Guys, sorry, I'm staying with gold, but I'll go to. Okay, so also US30. Okay, so volume is closing above. Okay, US30, guys, is a nice buy up here too. 33,665. Okay, if you guys are in a buy there, just place your stop loss below the consolidation box, or like below this candle right there. If you want to be safe. Okay. Um, Okay, so we'll stick with gold, guys. 1786. Okay, we're at this critical level right here. Come on, just give us one nice bearish body coming down. Ah, that's what I don't want. I don't want that flip right there, okay? So it's probably going to come back to test. It could come back to test this area, okay? Because remember, this was a heavy support level. Now we broke below it, so it could act as resistance. We could get, this could be another pull up candle, pull back, coming up. But then we're bringing up the RSI back maybe to 50 level, and then we could get some more short selling coming in there. Okay, so it's like a spin top candle, a lot of indecision because it's at this critical level. This 1786 level. This is every time we came down here. Look, every time we came down, we broke below, big rejection wick. Came down, rejection wick. Came down here, 305. This was London Open. 305 came down, rejection wick. This big candle was a big red bearish candle, came and went right back up. So this is at a critical level right here. US30, guys, let's check out the US30. Okay, US30, it's coming right back down here, okay? Pablo, you think it will melt? Yeah, like it did the same thing to us last night. Same exact thing. Yeah, there were a lot of fake outs coming back up, but then they eventually broke it down. Okay, so guys, to break a technical pattern down, it takes time, guys. Remember, we're trading 5-minute candles, so you're not always just gonna get a 5-minute candle that just dumps 20, 30, 40, 50 pips. Okay, it takes time to break structure, especially when we traded all in this consolidation from 2 a.m. to over here 3:30 3:45. Okay, so you can see market makers consolidated the price of gold for almost 2 hours, okay, before they actually showed that they're going to break it down here. And guys, we're gonna get a new hourly candle in about 5 minutes. Okay, so also we gotta also look at our hourly candles. Okay, so our hourly candle is looking nice, bearish. Okay, look, it's engulfing our previous hour. Okay, but our hourly candle too. If we can break below the supply zone on our hourly candle, then we could possibly get some additional 5-minute candles coming in the next from 4 a.m. to 5 a.m. that will continue to be bearish. Yeah, Pablo, I just checked the 1 hour chart. Yep, I always do that. So I see that it's a very, very nice bearish candle, and um, it needs to cool off. Look at this big impulse move up. So hopefully we can correct this and come down. Maybe I want to break this 1785 so bad. This hourly support. I want to break that because then we could really, really get some nice pips there. Okay, so the candle finished. It closed with volume up here, came down, picked up liquidity. They brought it right back up. They closed it with some bullish momentum. Next candle opened, came up. It's getting rejected. Okay, so it could come down bearish again. This could be just a spin top pullback candle, but we need this bearish candle to come and break through here. Okay, but as long as we stay below this area, we could be safe here. Okay, because now maybe market makers brought supply down to here. Okay, they maybe possibly brought the supply down to here now. Okay, so if we stay below here, see how now we have a supply zone right here and a demand zone right here. So it might consolidate and bounce in this area before it makes its move, but we need to break through here. Hopefully we can get it with this candle right here. Let's go break that. Oh man, it's right here, 1786. Yeah, Alex, that's what it is. We call it the sniper trap and gap. Okay, it's the sniper trap and gap strategy, the consolidation box, and then you could get price action moves in three directions. It's either going to consolidate, accumulate, distribute sideways, and you can box it in, or it's either going to break out bullish or it's going to break down bearish. Okay, so it's a very clean way to scalp. It's not that complicated. You just got to be patient, guys. It just requires patience, and you don't fall for all of the impulse candles. Wait for volume to close above and follow structure, guys. But we'll get more into that on these live calls with you guys. We're just like introducing some things. And then if you want to join the Sniper Mentorship team, that's where we really advance trading, guys. We host live webinars. We do private Zoom trading sessions. We got tutorials. We have webinars. There's our breakdown, guys. Okay, so let's push this down. So we're 50% into this candle. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, so see that nice little pullback, and now bears are coming in, hammering it down. There we go, guys. Okay. Oh yes, let's break right here, guys. Beautiful. If we can break right there, we could come down to that white line. That's hourly support, and maybe we come down to below 1785. Okay, we're breaking that RSI red line I'm showing you right here. Okay, just got to break that right there. Okay, but see how we're walking it down slowly, lower lows, lower highs, guys. If you're in a little bit of profits, maybe secure just a tiny bit, guys, because it could flip on us. But let's take a look. Okay, so we got a minute 53 left on the candle. If we number one out of this red candle, we have to close below this supply zone. Okay, or sorry, demand zone. We have to close below this demand zone. That's number one. What we need out of this big bearish candle. If we can close below here, this red line, 1785.68, that's even better. But we can't have buyers push this back up again. Okay, so for now, look at our hourly candle. Our hourly candle is going to close in 2 minutes. So let's keep an eye on our hourly candle, okay? So our hourly candle is coming through that demand zone, but if we can get below here on our hourly, this will be really nice for our next hour candle. Okay, so 1 minute left on this hourly candle, guys. Look at, we've already engulfed 2 a.m. and 1 a.m. the volume. Oh yes, look at this breakdown on the hourly. This is beautiful, guys. Okay, let's drop this. Okay, calm down, baby, calm down. Yeah, I'll look at other pairs in 1 second, guys. 1 second, because I'm in this gold trade myself. I'm in it. Okay. So sometimes when I'm in a trade, I focus on it because I'm in the trade. I'm live trading it with you guys as well. I'm not just here charting, but I really, oh my God, there's the break. There it is, guys. Okay, there it is. Right back down to that hourly support line. Okay, if we can break below there, we're gonna get a new candle open, guys. If you're in some profits, scale it a little bit because we're gonna get a new hourly candle, guys. New hourly candle can flip on us. Okay, there's the close. Okay, so we close below there. This is the new hour candle, guys. This is 4 a.m. 4 a.m. Okay, so understand. I know I'm on a 5-minute candle, but this is also represents the new hourly candle. Okay, so let's hopefully we can get rejected right here. Okay, see how they're pushing it up, the buyers on the hour. Okay, we got a rejection wick right there, 1785.86. Man, hopefully we can push this down and break this hourly support right here. Okay, see the hour candles, okay? See how close the hourly candles are to break down right here? If it breaks this white line, guys, 1785.33, we could come down on the hourly here, 1784, possibly 1783 down to here, okay? If they can hold it right here, okay? We got to hold in this area right there. Okay, so it's going to test this area now, okay? So watch, guys. See how it's testing? Okay, so we need a nice little wick there. This is supply. They're keeping it down. We just got to suppress these by boom. Now it's going into a pin bar candle. Just push it down, push it down. Sellers push it down, and we break this white line. US30 shot up, guys. Beautiful, guys. Let me know if you guys are in that buy, guys. Okay, that zone I didn't get in the US30, guys. I'm in the gold, but 34665. Look at it, beautiful, guys. Okay, watch if you guys break right here on our side. This 50, US30 could really start to pump. Okay, so gold is testing this area again too. Okay, so if you were in profits, guys, that's why I tell you guys always scale out a little bit. Scale out a little bit. Okay, it might come up and test this zone again. Unbelievable the strength of this. Okay, US30 looking good, guys. So what we need out of this candle is to close above 34,710. Keep that volume above this 5-minute resistance, and we could possibly come up to this accumulation distribution zone back up here. Okay, if you guys are in that, it's a nice move. Okay, look at the pips on US30, guys. Okay, from right here to up here, 60 pips, guys. 60. That's no joke. Okay, US30, guys, 60 pips. Yeah, welcome, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, guys. Dave and I, we stream New York, Tokyo, and bonus London sessions, guys. Jeff, amazing. Up 50 pips on Dirty 30. You're going to pay your mortgage. You're going to pay off your house soon. But see, okay, so it's coming up there, but we're still getting rejected at that supply zone on gold. Okay, so as long as we hold there, we could continue possibly to break down structure. This could just be another pullback candle coming up again, but as long as it stays below 50 RSI, we could come down and hit it down again. Okay, so let's take a look at US30. Oh man, US30 is pumping, guys. Look at this, guys. Look at this US30. Congrats to all of you guys on this one. 80 pips on US30, guys. For me, please scale out a little bit, okay? If it goes up 100 pips, guys, you guys need to be scaling out, okay? Don't get greedy, guys. This is a big move on on 10 minutes, okay? 5-10 minute candles. Look at the strength right here, guys. Holy shit! If this breaks 50 right here, US30 is gonna pop. There we go. Thank you for the Mike, my man. Steinhoff, what's up, bro? Oh man, I'm loving this. Oh, guys, beautiful, guys. Congrats. Oh, man, I didn't get in on the US30, guys, but I'm so happy for you guys. Um, 86 pips, guys. Scale out a little bit, guys. Don't get greedy, okay? I have a rule where I like to take out 70-80% and then leave a small break-even runner, but this thing could run a little more. We're breaking 50 RSI right there, okay? Good job, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, guys, and also in the top of the chat, I've posted our free Telegram group. If you guys are not in there, I suggest you guys get in it. It's a free Telegram group. We post a lot of good information in there. We also post like trades that we're taking. So this was my gold trade, guys. I'm just gonna post it right now in there. I exited when it came down. Okay, guys, take a look at it. Go into the FX group, the free Telegram group, and there's my gold sell. So I sold it at 1786.50, and I took another sell at 1786, and then I exited at 1785.39. Okay, so it's good for what do we got? 120. I made 18 pips, 180 US dollars, guys. So I took it with two standard lots. So guys, you can check it out. Go into that free Telegram group. It's pinned at the top, guys. So I'm trading with you guys, okay? I'm trading with you guys, you know. We show, and there's the commission, guys. I'm with Fusion Market Brokers. They charge $4.50 per standard lot. My spread on gold right now is that's why it's nice scalping gold with the Fusion Markets. It's at 6, so I got half a pip spread right now to trade gold, okay? So, and look at it getting rejected up there again, guys, okay? So we could possibly pop another sell order if we start to break down, guys, okay? So, and US30, guys, see, it's starting to get bearish, guys. That's why I tell you guys, take a little bit off the top, okay? Don't ever get greedy. We'll get pips on every single call with Dave and I, okay? I promise you guys that. But we want to help you guys grow your accounts. We want to help you guys compound pips, teach you guys, learn and earn on every call. But just please, when you guys go into blue on MT4, don't get greedy, guys, because one candle can come down and wash out everything. If you trade New York with us, you'll see a move go up and one candle can take out everything, okay? So congrats to you guys getting in here, taking those profits, guys. And guys, just trade with proper risk and account management. If you guys don't know what that is, ask, and we'll tell you what that is. You don't want to be trading with over leveraging your accounts, guys. You won't last as traders, okay? I've been trading myself for over 20 years. But you're not going to last. If you want to do this daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, and do it as a side income or a full-time job, you got to trade with proper risk and account management, guys, okay? You have to. Otherwise, you're not going to survive, okay? You won't. Okay, so gold is still being held down at this supply zone. It's got a lot of buyers pushing it up, but it could be coming back down slowly, okay? Amazing. Jeff, I see that, bro. Jeff just collected $220. Amazing, bro. I'm gonna post that in the FX group. Jeff is he just joined the mentorship group with us yesterday, and he made $2,000 on the live London call with me yesterday. So congrats to Big Jeff, fellow Canadian. Respect, man, respect. Good job, Rule. And secure those profits, guys. Secure the profits, guys. Secure them. Okay, so look at the US30. It's coming down, guys. That's why I tell you guys, secure profits. It could come down and test this level, 34,711. Okay, this was previous resistance. Now it's acting as support, guys. So if we get some good support here, then maybe we could continue push up. So this is kind of the arrow I drew. Break right here, come up, retest. Look at exactly how my arrow is. Came right up here to that green candle, came down. Here's our retest, and then we start to move up to here, and then break out and continue up here if we can get that. Okay, so that's kind of the momentum you want to see, but always secure profits, guys. Okay, GBP USD, you guys want to check out GBP USD? Oh man, it's just so choppy. When I just look at this, I don't even want to look at this. Okay, this is not even tradable right now. Okay, this is like too much barcode action right now. um, This one, like, I would have to look at it like this. It's not appealing right now. Um, okay, yeah, I don't like GBP USD right now. We could look for something better than this. This is too choppy, guys. Okay, I know how GU trades in London. There is some news that just came out, so I don't want to trade that chop. There was British pound retail sales and public sector net borrowing in German PPI. That's causing all that choppiness right now. We could look for better trades than that. Also, guys, as a trader, as a scalper, you got to be selective. Okay, look for something that's moving nice. Don't trade chop. Okay, German 30 is also really nice to trade. This one follows like the US30. They kind of mirror each other. So here was our consolidation box. Okay, right there, and then there's your. Was the impulse break, come back down, and then we have the candle close with volume right there, and then now it continues and it's bullish. Okay, so this did the same move that US30 did, but this came back bearish and then could be moving up again. But US30, it went up, pulled back, and now we're getting bullish candle again. Okay, so when it went up 80, 85, 90 pips, guys, I tell you guys, scale out, leave a small runner with a break-even stop loss. That way you have no emotion in it. It's a free trade. You've already scaled out 80% of 85 pips, and then now you got a small runner with a break-even stop loss. Okay, that's a good strategy to use, guys, to scale your accounts. Believe me. Okay. Um, Nasdaq, guys, let's take a look at Nasdaq. See, Nasdaq had that nice move too. So Nasdaq similar right there, guys. See the breakout, 14,870. Guys, we could have got multiple pips today on this call. Okay, and it came up to 23 pips on Nasdaq. Okay, um, you're asking for a sell on Nasdaq. I wouldn't be looking to sell up here in consolidation. You want to find better structure, guys. Okay. Okay, I would wait to see how it cools off. If it consolidates, then I would draw maybe another consolidation box up here, and then I would go with it. But it could be forming like a head and shoulder pattern. This could be a head pattern coming back down. Um, but look at gold, guys. Gold is interesting tonight. Gold has got my attention. What about you guys? I think gold, they want to break it down, guys. I think they want to break it down. What they're doing is a lot of false signals, okay? They're bringing it down, and then they're causing these bullish candles come up to trap a lot of retail traders. I guarantee you, these two candles, this one up here, this one especially, this one probably trapped a ton of retail traders. So that's what they could be doing right here, guys. They could be trapping and then bringing it down. Okay, so again, we just got to get below this demand zone, and we could continue to break down. And this is a big level, guys. This level, 1785.36. If we break this on gold, we're gonna get a big drop. Okay, that's the hourly support. And remember our big bearish hourly candle that we just traded. All we need is momentum on our next hourly candle. So let's take a look at it. Okay, so this is our new 1 hour candle that started. It's 15 minutes in. So it, our big bearish candle that we traded, then this one opened bullish. It came up but got rejected. So all we got to do now is just start pushing this volume down, and then we could possibly break this 1785. If we break that, it's going to be very nice. Nicholas Mwanga, thank you very much for your subscription. Appreciate you, bro. Smart King, damn, your chart is too cluttered. I can't focus with it. Then don't focus on my chart. Don't worry. This is for me, guys. This is for me, not for you guys. You guys do your own charting, okay? And just it's. I'm not going to change my charting for one person on the call. This is how I chart when I scalp. So. Like my yellow line is daily support and resistance, my white line is hourly, and then the red lines are my 5 minute candles. Okay, so but I can't please everybody, guys. You gotta understand. Can't please everybody. But this is for me. It's not for you. Okay, so now gold is rotating back up. Okay, so it could come again. It could come up. This could be another nice strong pullback coming back up to this daily area and then possibly reject it again. Okay, Eli, what's going on, bro? What's going on? Okay, guys, so let's go back to the US30. Okay, so now you see, now we're starting to cool off a little bit. Okay, so price action is cooling off, but like I said, as long as the price stays above 34,711, then it could just come down, cool off the RSI, and then come right back up. Prashanth, when will we be doing crypto? We do crypto with the mentorship crew. Like last Saturday night, we were charting, and then we also scalped XRP with the team. So we do a lot of crypto trading. We're going to start to do with our mentorship group with the snipers. But if we can do crypto on YouTube live, but the thing is, a lot of guys have terrible spreads with Bitcoin. They got about a 7 to 10 pip spread on Bitcoin, so it's very, very difficult to scalp Bitcoin if you have a 7-10 pip spread. Okay, my broker is 2.3 pips on for Bitcoin, so it's nice to scalp. But other guys have a 7 to 10. It's not even worth scalping. Smart King, how I focus, because I've been staring at this type of charting for over 20 years. So to me, this is just natural to me. I know some guys are saying like my it's too colorful, this that, but I don't do this for you. I do it for myself. Okay, I'm trying to educate you guys as well. I'm telling you guys levels. Don't focus so much on the colors, okay? Focus on the supply demand zones. Understand what the market makers are doing, okay? Take that what I'm trying to tell you guys. More so than the candlesticks, okay? Because when I talk about candlesticks, I zoom in on the candlesticks. I'll tell you exactly what's going on with those. But understand the zones that I'm telling you, the supply demand zones. You got to understand what the market makers are doing, okay? Then you can take your trading to the next level. When you understand the zones, you understand the accumulation distribution, you understand the false signals that they do, that's when you take your trading to the next level, okay? Ryan, booking profit. Yeah, guys, there's nothing wrong with booking profit. I told you guys when US30 went up 85 pips, I told you guys to scale out. Why do you want to give? Why do you just gave back right here? Okay, you were up 85 pips, and you just gave back 40 pips. Why? You know what? Don't do that. When it moves up 80 pips, scale out 70-80%, and then leave a small 20% runner with a break-even stop loss. Okay, but don't give away 40 pips. Some people have to trade all an entire day to make 40 pips. Okay, you grabbed 80 pips in 10 minutes. Okay, so on two green candles. Eli, thank you, bro. We appreciate you too. We appreciate all of you guys, 80 viewers, guys. Dave and I, we do this for you guys, okay? We appreciate all of you guys. The respect is mutual. I hope you guys are getting a lot of value out of this. I hope you guys are learning and earning on every call. And it shows, guys. You guys are liking the videos. You guys are subscribing, so it means a lot. Thank you, guys. Um, So guys, I'm gonna go about another 30 minutes because I'm gonna go to sleep for about 2.5 hours, and I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna do New York session with you guys. So I'll be back for like 8 a.m. But I grabbed some quick profits. I grabbed some pips, so it's good. I don't get greedy, guys. I come in, I get 20, 30, 40, 50 pips, and we call it the pip and dip strategy. Come in, get your pips, and dip right out. Okay. Don't get greedy, guys. Just be humble. Take your pips, and we'll come back and we'll get more pips. Okay. We'll look for more trades. Look at gold. Okay. What did I tell you about a false signal? Okay. False candle. That's a classic market maker move, guys. Okay. They're faking out retail traders big time on these plays. Okay. Do you know how many buyers they probably caught right there? They pushed it up, and then they got the liquidity, and then they hammered it down. Okay. Um, Good for you, man. You used to catch 10 pips and now 100. That's amazing. And you're doing it swing trading. That's great. But sometimes we get 2, 3, 4, 500 pips scalping. But whatever works, guys. Not everybody is a scalper. Not everybody can do this, okay? It's not for everybody. I'll put that out there. Scalping is not for everybody. But when you learn this skill, you can come into the market, trade for 30 minutes, 60 minutes, make your daily goal, and just get out and go on with the day. You don't have to sit and stare at a computer for a long time, okay? Eli, take it easy, bro. Get some sleep, and I'll see you in New York. Gold is falling. What do you think about US30? I just told you guys what I think about US30. It moved. You got to take your profits because it's gonna retrace right back. Okay. So gold now. See how it got rejected at the 50 RSI? That's what I'm telling you guys to scale out. Okay. It could have been just the pull and then coming down. So for US30, guys, I would be looking for a possible sell. As soon as I see some consolidation, then I'm going to look to where it can cool off. But it's still coming down, so I'm not touching it right now. I'm focusing on gold, guys. Gold is a nice one tonight. Do you guys see how the technicals, how it's breaking down? Okay, it's coming down, lower lows. It's got these pullbacks, and then they're hammering it down again. So all we got to do, guys, I've been telling you this entire call right here, 1785 break right here. If we break here, gold is dropping, guys. That's that hourly level, I'm telling you. Emil, welcome. Good morning. How do I distinguish between letting winners run and taking profits, like you said? Use elite waves. If I see it first impulse wave, I'm okay. I don't use elite waves. I don't do anything like that. I follow the price action, and if I start to get bullish or bearish candles, and then I start going up 10, 20, 30, 40 pips, I follow the volume. Is the volume down or above the candle? And then I just start to scale out slowly. I start to scale out my position. But yeah, if you're following Elliott waves, that's good too. But I follow price action. I look for patterns. Elliott waves is really nice, but I'm not into that. And then I scale out accordingly, watching the price action. If I know I'm getting down to 5 minutes or coming down to an hourly support, and we're not breaking, then that's where I exited the trade. I show it. Look in the FX group. I'll show you exactly where I exited the trade. Um, so I took the sell at one sell I took at 1786. 1786. The first one was 1786.5. Okay, so I got this candle right here. So I took the sell there, and then I hit the other one at 1786 when we broke below here. And when it came down to here, this was all in one candle, 1785.39. At the right there, as soon as it hit the daily support and started to, I took my profits. Okay, and then I didn't that pullback. See, I was out of there. Look at it breaking down now, guys. There it goes. Okay, there's our lower low. Beautiful. Okay, so now we just, guys, do you understand what happened there? We just broke below the hourly support. Okay, so if I take you to our hourly candles, do you see here what happened? We just broke below the hourly support. There it is. Look at that drop, okay? So now they could really hammer it down and bring it down to 1780, below 1785, okay? This hourly candle is a big shooting star. Look at the rejection wick. The wick is up here. Big, big, heavy rejection wick. This is a shooting star candle. All we need now is that moment. Look at if the hourly candle now breaks below 50 RSI. Gold could drop big time, guys. Big time. And do you see how many false candles there was? Guys, these pullback candles, if you guys are not comfortable with trading pullback candles, don't trade pullback candles. Trade with the trend. The trend was bearish. Relax there and then hit it down again here, okay? This offered you multiple opportunities here. Excellent trading, guys. Excellent, excellent. I love to see you guys all in profits. Um, Pablo, we make these pips all day, every day, guys. So welcome, guys, to this channel. We got a lot of things planned for YouTube and for our snipers in the mentorship group. We're creating an app now on the website, so we're gonna have like it's kind of like a Discord channel within our app where we're gonna have a chat with our snipers and whatever you want to talk about. We'll have private rooms in there. We're gonna have everything. Is going to be one-stop shop. We're working on all the software for the app. It's going to be awesome, guys. So guys, if you want to join the mentorship team, it's $1 a day, $1 a day. The value you get in there, you get tutorials, you get webinars, you get live trading with us, you get trade ideas sent to you, trade recaps. You get to be part of this community in this chat. That's amazing. If you guys need help to pass your funding talent or your FTMO accounts, we have guys in there that are past every single phase. We have guys with the elite accounts that are cashing out money bi-weekly, and they help all of our snipers that come in there with any questions. So I don't trade with those. I trade with my own capital, but we have a team of full of knowledge, guys. The sniper group we have, it's amazing in there. When I'm sleeping, when I'm not there, if they're sending charts, and we have a lot of senior guys in there, they're helping them with charting. So we help everybody, whatever you are. If you're a beginner, you're advanced, you're intermediate trader. It's a great community, guys, and it's growing so fast. Thank you for the subscription, the 999 gamer. Respect, bro. Respect, respect. Um, Let me just read some comments, guys. Gold, guys, just breaking down. See it? We were patient, we waited for it, and just beautiful breakdown, okay? So lower lows, pull back, lower high. This was that supply area I identified for you guys. And then now we're just breaking down. Now our hourly candle is also, we're below now hourly support. So now it's going to drop, okay? And then this is my 200-day moving average, this yellow line, okay? So we might see it come down and then bounce off our 200A. So even with this gold, if you guys are in profits, guys, scale out a little bit. Scale out. Take some partials right here. Thank you, 999 Gamer. Thank you for it. Yeah, Emil, if you use Elliott waves and they work for you, bro, then use them. Use them. Everybody has their own thing. Some guys use stochastics. Some guys use RSI. Some guys MACD. Some guys Bollinger Band. Some guys whatever works. And at the end of the day, if you're taking pips out of the market, go for it. Go for it. Go for it. No one is knocking anybody how they trade, but just if it works for you, I just personally I don't use Elliott waves, but if it works for you, all the best. Alex, 10 more days till payday, and I can be a sniper. Absolutely. Whenever you're ready, we'd love to help you. I'd love to be part of your journey as a mentor. I would really love to help you and be part of your journey, guys. Dave and I take our mentorship serious. We really, really spend so much time with our snipers, guys. They get to know us personally. We get to know you guys personally. Because later on, when we start to grow, we're going to start to scale down the YouTube streams because we're going to be focusing on our snipers, guys. So you guys should appreciate. You guys are getting 3 streams a day. You're getting London, Tokyo, and New York. So the knowledge you guys are getting on and the content and the value you guys are getting on YouTube, all we ask in return is just a simple like, guys. Rip gun, I gotta breathe, right? I'm just passionate, bro. I'm just passionate. I love trading. I love seeing guys make some pips, learning. I really enjoy that, guys. Smart. I'm so tired. I forgot. Sometimes that happens to me too, bro. I get so tired that I even forget I'm in a trade, and then I look at it, and then it's blue like big time, and I'm like, when did I take this trade? So, yeah, man. If you guys are tired, take a break, guys. Don't over trade. If your body is telling you guys are tired, because you got to be focused, you got to be alert when you're trading, guys. So, like me, I'm starting to get really tired. I'm gonna go about 15 more minutes, and my body's telling me that's enough for tonight. I made my pips. I'm done. I'm gonna get 2 3 hours sleep, and then I'll be fresh back ready for New York, guys. But gold is beautiful, breaking down. US30, guys. Okay, so look at US30. It came right back down to this area right here where we have 34663, where we had the breakout. Okay, so now it came down. This is a double bottom. It came and then picked up buyers again, but now it's getting rejected right here. So slowly I could possibly see US30 breaking down now. Okay, Jack Acton, definitely appreciate the channel, man. Found you a couple days ago, and the information on the streams is incredible. Thank you, bro. We appreciate you. Thanks, Jack. It means a lot. Thank you. Yeah, so guys, if you're looking to short US30, what I would be looking for is this might not be like this might be after. I would like to get confirmation that it can break below here, and then I would look for a short down here. Maybe if it breaks below 641, I would look, guys, for a short opportunity on US30 down here, and then take it down to there. Okay, so what I would be looking for is a bearish candle coming down, impulse, could be like an impulse break right here, maybe a retest now, that 34663 area right here, and then we get this play, just like how gold did it. Okay, but I would be, if it, because this is still a good support level, it could be bearish, come down, and then wrap right back up with buyers. So until we get confirmation down here, and then we close below all these rejection wicks. Okay, that's why I don't have it placed up there for a sell. It's safer to place it once you get below all these wicks right there. Okay, so that's for US30, guys. I'll even put it right there. 646, look for that area if you guys are still going to trade. Shelby boy, yeah, man, we're not going to stop. We're not stopping. Dave and I are the biggest hustlers, grinders. We don't stop, guys. Like you see, we only get 2 hours sleep a night. We don't stop, but we love doing this. We love doing this for you guys. As long as you guys are getting you're getting value out of this, okay, and we'll continue doing it. Caught this gold sell just watching the stream. Absolutely, Jack. Congratulations, bro. But also secure pips, guys. Okay. But wow, gold is really breaking down. Okay. So it's down to our 208 EMA now. If we break below there, look at our next hourly support, guys. 1783. That's why when you ask me, my chart looks busy. It's got all these colors. But look at, I don't have to sit flip flop candles now. I know where my hourly support resistance are. I know where my daily is. So that's why I just follow my 5 minute candles. Okay. It might look busy to some people, but to me, this looks beautiful. This looks gorgeous, actually. What, like, look at the sell, guys. Taking the sell up here, it doesn't get any better than that, guys. It doesn't get any better than that. That's a textbook break right there, okay? That's a technical breakdown. And then when you learn what false candles are, what market makers do, I guarantee you it trapped a lot of guys right here. Trapped them big time, okay? And then now, if you want to flip to hourly candle, now flip to your hourly candle. Now look at it, okay? Remember I told you it was coming down as a big shooting star, big rejection, heavy. Look at the body, very heavy, okay? Look at it. It can come down to here, 1783.25. This is our next hourly support, okay? So there it goes, guys. Wow, congrats, guys, to all the profits. Man, I wish I held my trade. I wish I should have left a small runner. I didn't. I didn't leave a runner. I didn't. When it stopped there and started pulling back up, I got scared it was going to really come back. And but I'm happy. Still banking $200. No worries. Uh, Emil, I heard an interesting theory by Al Brooks, an expert on price action. He claims only the past three bars can tell anything about future action. What do you think? Um, Three bars, it tells you a lot. It tells you a lot. But also when you're scalping, I like to look to the left and look at structure. Okay, so to me, like when I look left, this is a big break to me. Okay, because this is when pre-London, where we grabbed all that support, where they brought it back up, they consolidated it, they did a false break, and then they brought it down. If we break below here, this is, to me, is going to be a massive, massive break on gold. Okay, because this will be a full, if you use Fibonacci retracements, swing low to swing high, this will be a 100% retracement, breaking below here, creating this lower low, and now we could really start to dump down to this area. I think gold can come down to 1782, okay? Right down here. Very easy. It's coming, guys, okay? But there's going to be a pullback. There's going to be a pullback, but it will look similar like this. You'll see a few green candles pull back, and then you will see sellers come in, create a new lower high, and continue to hammer it down, guys. But excellent, excellent. I love this. Congratulations, guys, to everybody on that play. US30, guys. Okay, so it's holding right here. I would be focused on this area. If it does continue to go bullish, then what I would look for is a buy up here again. That 711 number. Okay, so this is how I would chart if I was still trading tonight. I would look for a buy up here. Another buy actually. Okay, and then possibly get back up to this range. Right in there. Okay. But Emil, I appreciate your let's see here. My moving average 200 is different than yours. Did you put different settings on it? No. Well, I'm using a 200 EMA. I just made it look thicker. I don't. That's all I did. Okay. So my settings right here. Um, Inputs 200. That's it. Style yellow, and I just made it thicker. That's all I did with it. Yeah, Emil, I appreciate you, man. You got a lot of knowledge in the markets, bro. You know your stuff. Thanks for coming here and sharing your knowledge with us. It's refreshing to see someone talk about like things like you're like a psychological trader like myself here. So I appreciate it. Appreciate your insights, man. Um, Dominic, what's going on, bro? Welcome. Good morning, man. You just got here. I'm gonna take off in about 10 minutes, guys. I gotta sleep a little bit, guys. I gotta get a little sleep because I'm gonna get up quarter to 8, and we're gonna do 8 o'clock. We're gonna do New York, guys. But I'm just showing you guys the calendar. It's pretty light. It's just Canadian news, guys. So if you're trading like USD CAD, something like that, I'm Canadian, so these are core retail sales month over month. Things like that. So we'll be watching this here, but it's going to be a light day tomorrow. But we'll still catch a few pips in New York, and then we'll close off the week. It's been an amazing week. We have so many new snipers that join the team. Get to homework, guys. You guys got to do your tutorials, guys, over the weekend and webinars. Raja, do I use a hard stop loss? I use sometimes hard stop loss, but sometimes I use mental stop loss because hard stop loss, market makers can see your stop loss and they can come up with a false signal, trigger you, and boom, just go opposite direction. It's happened to me multiple times. So sometimes I go mental stop loss, but I'm very disciplined with my mental stop loss. Okay, so if I have it set at like 10 pips, when it goes 10 pips, I don't play games. I used to say, okay, I'm going to give it another 5 pips to breathe, and then it just got me more deeper in trouble. So sometimes if I use a mental stop loss, if I say 10 pips, 10 pips, I'm out. Okay, I've learned it over time that if I just stay there and play around, then there's nothing positive coming out of it. So yeah, but the only thing with hard stops is market makers can see your hard stop losses. So they could just do a false candle, trigger you, and then just go opposite direction on you. And then you're like, man, I knew it was going to go bearish, but they got me with that wick right there. So, and then they do a few stop loss raids. They're notorious for that, okay? Emil, do you guys have a community Telegram where we can share ideas, wins? Yeah, we have in our when you become a sniper in our mentorship group, they're all in there. So we share everything. There's a lot of knowledge. The free Telegram group right here is just like us showing things, but with our sniper community, we have our own community chat in there. Absolutely. Any trading books do I recommend? I like um, I like audiobooks, guys. Check out Trading in the Zone. Trading in the Zone. Okay, that'll teach you guys a lot of patience and discipline. It's Trading in the Zone. It's an audiobook on YouTube. Check that out, guys. Will really teach you guys. I learned so much patience and discipline. It's like 7, 8 hours of audio, but I love like when I'm driving, I just listen to it, and it keeps me in check, keeps me grounded. Patience and discipline. That's the name of the game, guys. Patience and discipline. Yep, Dominic, we'll see you in New York, bro. Um, Effie, yeah, we're gonna upload them possibly tomorrow. Dave and I have been so busy, bro. We'll get them uploaded for sure for you guys for the weekend. They'll be uploaded. But you've already gone through all the webinars? That's awesome. Okay, but the other ones will be coming. Okay. Yeah, Emil, I appreciate your insight, bro. Honestly, it's refreshing to hear someone like that. Um, Trading Bible, that's another good one. Yep, the Trading Bible. Um, there's a lot of good stuff out there, guys. Yeah, the Japanese Candlestick Bible, that's also really good. That's an old school one. That's old school material. That's awesome. That was the one that where I started to learn about candlesticks. Yeah, guys. Eventually, Dave and I are gonna write a book. Maybe we'll have a famous book coming out. Yeah, book by Ron. It's coming out, guys. But look at gold, guys. Okay, so gold is now we got volume below the 200 days, so it's just dropping really nice, guys. I wish I held a little bit of my trade. I got in right beautiful, right at 85, like right in there. But from the break, guys, from the break, it's not bad trade, okay? So 30 pips, guys. But the US30 had the really nice bullish move for like 85 pips. But look, guys, okay, so it came down, picking up support and right back up. So if it's in a little bit of an uptrend, if you can break above here, maybe with some nice volume, and we break above 50 RSI, we could look for the next leg up on US30 right here. Got in on break. Good job, guys. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go about 5 more minutes, and then because I want to come back fresh a little bit for New York, and we'll have a good Friday session. Guys, for the new guys here, I just want to show you guys our website. If you want to become a member, it's $1 a day, guys. $1 a day, 29.99 a month. You get a lot of value out of here. But guys, if you just want to join our latest blogs, we give like a daily blog. Join our email. These are like trades that we've taken. We show trades, our psychology going through the trade. Like we have here the consolidation. There's the breakdown, W pattern. Here's where we got into the buy right there. There's the ticket to show you, the MT4 ticket. This was for $665. The date when this happened, everything. And then we break it down, A, B, C, D, E, easy to follow, guys. It's a really, really good content. It's not like spam, guys. It's trades we take, guys. It's trades we take. There's just good content, guys. If you want in on this, just scroll to the bottom of the page and just join our newsletter right here. It's just your email address, and it will send you guys right here. Join the newsletter, and we'll send you guys a nice informative blog. It's got good content. You guys can join us on social media. We're on Instagram, we're on Facebook, we're on all that stuff. If you do become a member with us, this is our programs, courses, tutorials. We start off with the basics: what are pips, loss, leverage, spreads, different type of orders, buy orders, sell limits, things like that. stop loss, what is stop loss, how to place it, and then we introduce candlesticks. So this is kind of like our own little candlestick Bible. We're candlestick traders. I've been trading candles for a long, long time. They teach you everything, and you can trade anything you want: stocks, options, forex, anything you want. But you got to understand the basics: high, low, close, the body, what the wicks are. Then we break down each individual candlestick. I believe there's 23 of them in here, and then we just go over support and resistance, uptrends, downtrends, chart patterns, continuation patterns, reversal patterns, M and W's, head and shoulders. We break down technical indicators. And a few strategies we show you guys, and then our weekly webinars. We do 2-3 webinars a week, and then we upload them, and they're recorded for our members if they miss them. But yeah, and then guys, we're gonna have an e-store here with some nice clothing. I got my Stock Sniper shirt. We got hoodies, hats. We got shirts that say "The dream is free, the hustle is sold separately." So that's the truth, guys. The dream is free for anybody, but the hustle, if you guys put in the work to learn how to trade, it can change your life, guys. We live a comfortable life. We've been very blessed by the markets, so we want to share this with you guys. Our mission, guys, when we started this, is pay it forward. We would love to pay it forward to you guys. Hopefully you guys can bless somebody in your life by paying it forward, teaching them maybe how to trade and things like that. Because a lot of people think when you talk with your friends or family, talk about stock market, you talk about forex, they say, you can't make money, it's a scam, but it's not. When you understand and you're patient, disciplined, you put in the time to learn this craft, and you finesse it, you could do really well, guys. It just takes patience and discipline. That's all it is. Let's take a look. GBP odd. GBP odd. Okay, so I'll take a look at this. I don't even have it. I don't even trade this pair. GBP odd. Are you gonna short it? Yeah, Matt, textbook wedge for me on the 5 minute. Look for break and retest. Yeah, yeah. So absolutely. Yep. Look for that one to break down. Could break down. Okay. GB Pod, nice pair. Okay. I don't trade too many of the Audi New Zealand pairs, but I'll add that to the repertoire. I'm always just a GBP USD, Euro USD, and GJ trader, but definitely nice. Okay. Okay, guys, gold is just breaking down, guys. Unbelievable. Man, I wish I would left a runner. I would have slept really nice. So gold is dropping right now. Okay, so London session. We'll see how it moves into New York, and then we'll see. Maybe New York, it's going to be the reversal. Okay, but this was the key break right there. I just told you guys 1784. That big break. Now it's coming down. Okay, so next hourly support is right here, 1781, guys, and then right here. This is our daily support, 1780, right here, 1779.80. That, guys, look for possible for a pullback. You could get a nice scalp pullback coming up very soon. Look at the 5 minute RSI dropping to 24. Okay, so it's starting to get a little oversold, but it's breaking down. Okay, so to all of you guys that held when it pulled up, when you guys you're in the shorts, congrats, guys, for holding. That takes balls, but understanding the technicals, good for you guys. And then now the market rewarded you. Okay, but guys, the market makers are always going to do false signals, false breakouts, fake out candles, shake out candles, whatever you want to call them. But they need to do that for liquidity and trigger some stops and then take it down. Look at it just breaking down. Alex, good, guys. Wow, this is beautiful, guys. If I held one of my runners, this would have been beautiful trade. But it's okay. Pips are pips. I got my pips, but everything is all good, guys. So guys, I'm going to wrap it up now. I'm going to go get a little bit of sleep. I'm going to be back for 8 a.m. New York. Hopefully all of you guys can join me. And thank you for liking the video, guys. We really appreciate that. Thank you for the new subscribers. We appreciate that too. And guys, take it easy if you guys are going to still trade. If not, go to sleep, get some sleep, and come up, wake up again in New York with me. And let's have a fun Friday, guys. So we'll see you in a little bit. And if you're in this, man, this is congrats. Get your profits, guys. So we'll see you in a little bit. Take it easy, guys.